What's up, guys? Just got back from a freaking badass car meet. Well, it was actually more of a truck meet, but a few of us had cars. Well, I actually had my bike since my car's down. It was awesome. We had burnouts, drag races. There's an airplane that even was flying really low, and then they did a barrel roll. That was freaking awesome meet. Turnout was great. Cruise there was fun. The cruise back was pretty fun too. So just got home. Got some parts in the mail, so I'm gonna open all those up and then probably mess around with the Subaru here for a little bit. Thing does go good, we could potentially have this car done within a month or two, like not done, but as a at least have it as a rolling shell. So I showed you guys the UTEC piggyback ECU that I got. After doing more research, I decided I don't think I'm going to use that, but I got such a good deal on it, I'm not too worried about what I spent on it. So I'm just gonna throw that on my eBay page and try to sell it for more than I got it for, quite a bit more actually. And then I'm just gonna keep the JDM ECU and buy a wire to tune it myself. I don't think I'm gonna use that piggyback ECU. It would be awesome if I didn't have a JDM engine with a JDM ECU. From what my understanding, it will still work, but I won't have the full potential of that JDM ECU, like using this AVCS and all that. First update is I finally sold the Bug Eye Blue hood. Anyways, I got the rusty ass subframe off for the most part. Got a little piece that's right here that I still got to get out. And then I started soaking the bolts for the the engine cradle, so we can hopefully get those off without breaking them. What's up, guys? It's the next day. I'm in my work van right now at work, and I'm working on editing some videos on some downtime, and I just wanted to throw a quick little update in here and let you guys know. We are a few weeks behind on our videos, so all the videos that you see in the last 3 or 4 videos you've seen, and then probably the next couple are a few weeks behind. But once we catch up, we're gonna start doing uploading videos a day or two after being filmed, so we're not so far behind. Also, Alex is planning on investing into a better camera here soon, which means I should. So after looking at some things last night, I noticed my up pipe is 3-bolt and the new external wastegate up pipe is 2-bolt. So I'm going to need to get some new headers. It's going to be a lot cheaper to get new headers than it would be to find a 3-bolt up pipe with external wastegate. The ones I found were either from Grimspeed or a couple other brands, and those are $300-400 up pipes. So anyways, hopefully later today I'll have some time to work on the Subaru. I'm going to get back to work, and I'll see you guys later.
Tomorrow.
My old Subi engine, transmission, wiring harness, and exhaust is on this. Yeah.
Alright, let's do this. Oh man, I got no clutch again.
Your clutch went out? Or all the pressure went away?
Yeah. I had good clutch pressure the other day.
See if it'll start with though.
Won't start.
It's not doing anything?
No. This beeps.
Well, Alex and I both just ordered new cameras. We'll show you guys what they are and do reviews of them later on when we receive them. But we're both excited because they both are. I don't know how good the picture quality is going to be compared to the iPhone X. The iPhone X does have some pretty good video quality, but they're going to have a lot better sound quality. They're going to allow external microphones, and it's just going to be a lot easier. And so we'll also still have the GoPro just kind of throw in the corner and record while we're working. Hey guys, so it's been a couple weeks since I filmed this video, and I realized, hey, I forgot to make an outro. Anyways, we got a really big surprise coming for you guys in the next video, so stay tuned for that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace.